A very difficult topic that touches so many people, the loss of a loved one due to suicide.
And September marks Suicide Prevention Awareness Month, and our Candace Harris shares how advocates and state leaders are working to reduce the number of suicides in Ohio, which are among the highest in the country.
5 people die by suicide in Ohio every day. One organization working to change this startling statistic is the Ohio chapter of the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention.
We focus on the research and the science behind suicide prevention. There are 4 main things that we do with the funds that we raise during the year. That is research, advocacy, support, and education.
Battles with her own mental health and 2 suicide deaths in her workplace led Brandee Parker to work to raise awareness in the Cleveland area.
Unfortunately, we're all brought together by the same horrible problem. And it has become a community of such tightly knit, strong individuals who become such advocates and try to break the stigma and really try to have others focus on their mental health just as much as their physical health.
On the state level, officials are working to address Ohio's suicide rate by building out their 988 dialing code system.
Suicide affects all people. Those who are experiencing a mental health crisis, maybe have a history of a mental health condition, but also those who might just today experience something that is overwhelming and need to talk to somebody.
The line is free, confidential, available 24/7, and offers support to those going through a mental health or substance abuse crisis. One can call or text 988 or chat in the 988 national website in order to communicate with a crisis counselor. State data shows 988 is being utilized more than 14,000 times per month on average. That's 2,000 more times it's being used each month than last year.
So when somebody's in a crisis, we want them to be able to have hope. We want them to be able to talk to somebody that is really a neutral party, a third party. And 988 offers that in this really dark day of their life.
Now, if you want to help support the American Foundation for Suicide Prevention's efforts here locally in the Cleveland area, one way you can do that is by getting involved with their Out of the Darkness community walk. That walk is scheduled for Saturday, October 5th at Wade Oval. Dave?
Really startling numbers. Candace, thank you for bringing this to the forefront this morning. We'll see you later on.